Hi girls and boys, it's Mrs. Martinelli. I'm going to be teaching you how to use a Kami extension. This is something that you need to install in your computer. It's very easy. It's a Chrome extension for free, and it will allow you to make edits in PDFs that your teachers might put into Google Classroom. Very easy. So the first thing you'll do is go up to a new tab, and you're going to type in Kami extension. Okay, this is it, Kami extension. And you will see it comes up, Chrome Web Store. I already have it installed. That's why it says remove from Chrome. But you will see add to Chrome. You click that to add it. Another box will pop up here. Add extension. You add it, and that's it. It's installed. So again, you'll see this, Chrome Web Store. Kami extension, it'll read add to Chrome, and then you click add extension and it will be added, and you will be able to edit documents. Okay, once you have it added in, you go to your class. I'm going to show you the way it will look from your point of view. This is my daughter's account, so you can see it the way you would see it as a student, and also how you would edit. So you see an assignment here. You click the assignment, and you see the title, U.S. Maps, please fill in the states, and you see right here, this is what you're going to click to edit it. So you click it. Now, you're going to click on Open with Kami, because this is what will allow you to type, to write in this. Okay, so again, you're going to Open with Kami. Click that. Okay, so this is what you will see. Some of this is locked because that's not part of the free version. The only thing you really need is the text box, unless that your teacher wants you later on to maybe get into drawing, you erase, but basically this is the most important thing right here, text box, and you have a choice of different colors. Okay, so once you click that text box, you go into label. This is just an example. You're going to put labels on the states. So wherever you want the text box to go, you go here, and you click it, and you see a text box opens. Just like in slides, you would just do this. You would make it as big as you need to. You see the cursor here, and you will type. Okay, when you want to type somewhere else, you go to where you want to type, you click it, and the text box opens, and again, you are typing in here. So again, you click. You might have to click twice. You spread this out like this, and you will be able to type. Okay, so once you are finished typing in here, you're going to go over here, download. Okay, so you click download. You're going to download it to your drive, okay, because you want it in your Google Drive. Keep this with annotations because that's where you did your writing, okay, and then you begin export. Okay, then you'll see it there. Okay, you go back into your class. Now you're going to add it. Remember, don't just give this in because this is the blank map. So if you hand this in, your teacher will get it. There'll be nothing on it. You want to add what you just did from your Google Drive, right? Just like we do in class, and what you've done in classes, anything you want to add in here from your drive, this is what you do. You always pull it from your drive. And it'll be in your recents. So you just click on what you just did, and it will be here. Okay, if you want, I mean, you could send both of them in if you forget. Otherwise, you know, click that one to get out of that. Okay, and as long as this one's here, Kami export, that's what you just wrote in. This is what you want to turn in. Okay, so you have to make sure it reads that. You turn it in. It asks you again. You turn in. And your teacher will get your edited version of the PDF. Okay? If you have any questions, issues, you could always email me. Bye.